Hello again, Helen.
Hello, Ross.
This time we're talking to you about the blend function on the Smart Connected TM6.
Yes, we are.
And how does that work, Helen?
Basically, I'll get you to show everyone how you can access it. You've got a blend function which combines your powerful motor with your sharp blades, and it just makes blending an absolute breeze. What it does, it's got a preset of 30 seconds on there, and you can extend that further if you want to get a smoother consistency to your smoothies. The other fantastic feature here is that there's a safety feature. It will go from speed 3 and gradually increase to speed 8, so that when you're blending hot foods, you're doing that in a safe fashion.
That's really important. And what have you made for us today?
Today I've got there a berry smoothie, which is always fantastic for a morning treat. Yeah, smooth and silky, and it's delicious, if I do say so myself.
I bet it is. And can you add things to it?
You absolutely can. You can add some nuts or some seeds, and that'll give it a little bit of a nutritional punch.
All made in the one bowl, all so simple and absolutely delicious.
It really is. And there's so much more to discover with your TM6, so stay tuned.